There's an entire department in Home365 that deals specifically with emergencies. There's an emergency hotline you can call 24/7 in the middle of the night, 6 a.m. at any time during the weekend, and they have someone there for you. If they don't answer, you can just leave a message. They usually get back to you very quickly, and there you go. There's someone right there. So you don't need to panic, you don't need to stress. We actually had two situations where this was tested. The first one was our tenant complained that their AC was not working. And I think within about 3 hours, Home365 sent over their contractor. And because they have such great relationship with their contractors and they work with them each day, the contractors also give discounts, which is a huge perk for us. And within 2 or 3 hours, they came out, they fixed the AC problem easily, and our tenants were left with a sense of peace of mind. We were left with a peace of mind. And the bill that came, we only had to pay the down payment of $199, and they took care of all the rest with our rent guarantee. Another incident that occurred was we actually had a flood. We had a plumber come in and turn on the water and leave, and our entire master bedroom flooded. When our landscaper came early in the morning the next day, they said, "Your house is flooding." We just could not believe it. We weren't out in LA. We didn't have anyone to come into the house, and they immediately, I would say within 20 minutes, sent over their maintenance worker. They got into the house. They turned off the water. They immediately, I think that morning, had an entire team come in to flush out the flood and dry everything up, put the humidifiers everywhere, and just take care of the problem. We have just such peace of mind knowing that we're with Home365, and that was also covered through our rent guarantee.